quick stack. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the issue if your keyboard is typing wrong letters or auto typing. So first of all, this issue occurs guys when your device driver is not up to date. The keyboard driver must be updated here. So first of all, check that before applying any methods. Simply open the device manager from here. You need to have the admin permission in order to perform this step. So once you have opened the device manager, we need to go to the keyboard. So as you can see here, this is the keyboard. So click on HID keyboard device. Okay, just right click over there and simply update it. Try first of all search automatically. This will detect automatically under the driver. If this option is not working, we can choose this option now. This will basically reinstall the driver on your system. And once the device driver is installed, again go to another driver. This is also related to keyboard. One is okay, and try both of the driver from here. PST keyboard. As you can see here, once the driver, both the driver are installed on your system, if you are able to see only one driver, just update that, and once that is done, restart your system and your issue will be fixed automatically after applying this method. So this is the first method guys. Also you can click on your system name, then click on scan and scan for hardware changes. If any hardware changes made on your system, so this will fix the issue. Okay, this is the first step to troubleshoot this issue. If this option is not working, we have the inbuilt troubleshooter. Type troubleshoot setting. Click on additional troubleshooter. In Windows 11, you should see that other troubleshooter. Then we need to look for keyboard and simply run the troubleshooter. This will automatically detect your issue and apply to fix the issue. After that, check if that is working for you or not. If second option is also not working, you need to make sure guys your system is up to date. So go to search bar, type the check for update and click on the check for update option on Windows 10, 11, and make sure you click on this option check for update. And basically check for update will install the latest driver also for your keyboard and it will fix your issue. Also you need to make sure guys, sometimes filter key can cause this issue as well. So you have to turn off the filter keys. So let's go to the filter keys option here. This option device. Then we need to go to the option keyboard and make sure you use the device driver visual music. It should be off. Also you can on it. If still having the issue, you can use the virtual keyboard on your system and also turn off the use sticky note. If this option is turned on, you need to turn it off. What this will do, this scan, this filters the key and also this may cause this issue. And after turning off the sticky keys, you use toggle key. Same setting you need to apply as I have done in my system. Okay, and after applying, like print a screen shortcut, change how the keyboard, that should be off, use filter key off. Okay, after applying this method, restart your system and your issue is going to fix. So I'm pretty sure guys, after applying these methods, your software issues will be solved and keyboard will be working good. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.